Hi, my name is Tim Brost and I'm an Aveva product specialist. And today I'd like to introduce to you a solution that we call Asset Information Management, or AIM. AIM makes searching for asset-related information in the industrial space simple and easy. You can easily search for a type of asset and select the specific one in mind. Your result will immediately pull up all relevant information for that selection. These include manufacturing information, single line and 2D documents such as P&ID, and not only will it retrieve all these documents, but drill into the specific location in which the asset is located on the diagram. Maintenance data in SAP PM, for example, can easily be found containing things like maintenance schedule, maintenance history, and any related parts or special instructions. General information can also be found for things like equipment type, location within facility, serial number, and vendor. In addition, it will find any other document that contains any reference to that asset, including annual maintenance information, shift handover logs, and even open work orders. I can drill into that work order and find detailed information related to it. AIM provides this functionality without consolidating all the existing databases and other storage locations where this information exists. It simply connects to these data sources and scans their contents for files containing the searched asset. This makes management and deployment of a solution like this so much easier. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to learn more, please don't hesitate to contact us.